This is my latest project here, the Shriner Monkey bike. All finished up for my buddy. It's got a 3-horse Wisconsin on it, and then 21 by what are they? 21 by 12 by 8. Big old fat sand tires, or whatever you'd call them. But still got to get an inner tube for the front there, and weld the spring on for the back brake so it disengages. But pretty much done. I had to weld the muffler onto the stump of what was there when he gave her to me. I got all these stamps straightened out today. I guess we'll give her a little start, and that'll be it there. Not too quiet, but not too loud, I guess. Still got to get the fuel filter hung up there, but I don't have an on-off switch on her yet, so I'll just choke her out. But yeah, well, that's pretty well it for this guy. For the headlights, it's not its original motor that's on it, so no stator, magneto, or anything like that to run power. So I got this little Remington 6-volt recharger, and then so I'm going to mount a battery up under the seat, and then this is its headlight. It just has a little on-off switch. So we'll route that to no brake lights, but you'll have a tail light and have a headlight, and I imagine you'll be able to have headlights and shit for an hour or so, or 2 hours, whatever. It's just be 2 bulbs, so I have a 6-volt motorcycle battery basically, so I guess you'd have some time. But alright, well, that's next project here. Now we're pretty much finished with that one. I gotta play with this guy. It's a 150cc scooter, and basically there's 2 kingpins. Well, we won't really get too into it. It's too dark over here, but maybe another video in a few days here. But big plans for the rear end of the scooter of this guy here. So thinking maybe a motorized trailer for my moped. But how many miles we got today? Oh yeah, there we are. 4,172. So we're getting around there. And I live 5 blocks from work, so it takes a little bit of riding to get her added up. But okay, have a good day.